Jay Haynes for the Film Sensei YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to do this giant man effect in HitFilm Express. So actually this is a very powerful effect that is very easy to do. I'm going to take my footage and I'm going to make it into a composite shot and click OK. And if I show you what the footage looks like, you will see that I just basically walk very slowly in front of my house, in between the camera and my house. I set the camera down really low and pointed it up towards the house, and then I just walked in front of it, okay? So now how do I get this effect? Well, it's really simple. What I'm going to do is I'm going to right-click on my footage and duplicate it, and I'm going to rename the duplicate the house, okay? And then I am going to use my freehand mask tool, and I am just going to start masking out the house. And I'm going to take very good care to make sure that I get around every nook and cranny here, so that way there is not any question whether or not it looks real or not. So now that I have masked out the house, I just need to make it into a clean plate. The way I'm going to do that is I'm going to use my selection tool and I'm going to drag it all the way over so there's only one frame. Then I will use the rate stretch tool and I will drag it back across so that that one frame is the entire thing. Then when I go ahead and play this, you can see now it appears that I am walking behind the house. And it is literally that easy to do. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks for watching.